Do you know what's the number one thing people say after completing a pilgrimage? And now what? Most people go back home just to fall back into their old patterns and routines because they don't know how to integrate all the learnings and insights they gained into their everyday life. But what if there was a way to continue the growth once the pilgrimage is over? This is where this pilgrimage is different, because this is a preparation and integration program that walks you through the 3 steps you need to make a pilgrimage truly transformational. Step 1, preparation. Before the pilgrimage starts, we will meet online to set clear intentions for your journey and to elevate your level of awareness and openness before departure. Step 2, the pilgrimage. During this week-long pilgrimage to Santiago de Compostela, I will be there with you in person to support you and to keep you accountable as you gain the clarity, healing, or answers you are seeking. Step 3, integration. Once the pilgrimage is over, we will meet again online, and I will help you to incorporate all these learnings and insights into your everyday life. So this pilgrimage does not become a temporary change, but a long-lasting transformation. Don't let the insights you gain on a pilgrimage going to waste. Take your first step towards a more authentic and fulfilled life by joining this meaningful and transformational pilgrimage to Santiago de Compostela.